Hi everyone, this is the most recent Gemara we did on Yud Gimel Amud Bet. Tanu Rabbanan, Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad, Ad Kan Sricha Kavanat Halev, Divrei Rabbi Meir. It was taught in a Breita, the line of Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad, until here, intention of the heart is needed. These are the words of Rabbi Meir. So when the Mishnah had originally said that you need to have kavana in kivin libo yatsa for Kriyat Shema, according to Rabbi Meir, the words for which you must have the intention only applies to the word Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad. So if you did not have intention when you were saying the rest of Shema, you would still fulfill your obligation. Amar Rava, halacha Rabbi Meir, and Rava says we hold the halacha like Rabbi Meir. Tanya, Sumchus Omer, Kol HaMa'arich Be'achad, Ma'arichin Lo Yamav Ushnotav. We also learn in a Breita that Sumchus says, anyone who lengthens the word Echad, his days and years will be lengthened. Amar Rav Acha bar Yaakov Upedalit. Rav Acha bar Yaakov clarifies that the person should be lengthening specifically the Dalit, and we have another clarification, Amar Rav Ashi Ulvad Shelo Yachtov B'chat. And you should only do this, you should only lengthen the Dalit Shelo Yachtov B'chat, while you are not rushing the Chat. So don't sacrifice the Chat for the Dalit in order to lengthen the Dalit. Make sure you lengthen the Dalit and make sure you properly pronounce the Chat as well. Rav Yirmiyah Hava Yativ Kamed Rav Chia bar Abba. Rav Yirmiyah was sitting in front of Rav Chia bar Abba. Chazia Dehava Ma'arich Tuva. And Rav Yirmiyah saw that Rav Chia bar Abba was lengthening a lot, more than necessary. Amar le, so Rav Yirmiyah said to Rav Chia, Kevan da'amalichte lamala ulamata ula'arba ruchot hashamayim, tu lo tzrichat. So Rav Yirmiyah gives this critique to Rav Chia and says, since you have crowned him above and below and in the four directions of the heavens, furthermore, further than that, you do not need. So you don't need to be lengthening your dalit so long. You just need to lengthen the dalit in the amount of time that you would be able to crown God king over the entire world.